Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Yesterday I went to see Scary Movie. But since I show y'all a lot of movie theaters lately, from Central Pattaya, I went straight up to iamshabu&grillbuffet. I let y'all see what they had. And today I discovered a new shop. But right before that, I had for lunch pepper chicken. And as y'all saw in the beginning, these days I go to see movies a lot, which is why I took a membership card to get even more affordable prices. The shop that I want to talk about is over there. So let's go. So right now, I want y'all to see how shops are right next to each other. And that's just on one side of my condo, because there is more. So that's the first one. The second. And the third. From the Bali Pier, we went to shop number 1, 2, 3, and the fourth. That's the brand new CJ Moore. We're gonna go inside to see what they got. Watch this. Usually when shops are opening here, they have huge discounts. And even after that, they have the buy one get one free still. This is a complete shock for me because where I'm from, convenience stores does not compete with one another, which is probably why our prices are that high. And I even took some time to make some groceries for myself. I was waiting a bit because they were making some chocolate for me, one buy 40 baht and one free. So that was it. I hope that y'all appreciate. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. And they even offer me that bag. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.